One day I testified.
Newola sente.
I went and bought a loan.
Kati nagera kumacha nenkola list yange gye nali neetaaga.
I made a list of all the things I wanted.
Kati bwe mmala ogisindika gye nnina ogisindika.
Now after sending where I had to send,
nga ne sente nzirina.
I had the man also.
Ate manja we yatuukira.
The one who was owing me came.
Ate nga naye ayagala sente mu bubi.
He also wanted money in all conditions. I took the man and gave him.
Jukira maze atokola order okumpa ebintu.
Remember, I placed the order to give me the things.
Abutuufu neetaaga sente.
For sure I wanted money.
Kati ate nga emitwalo abiri z'okuzigyawo.
Yet I deducted the 200,000.
Negamba Mukama neetaaga sente kubanga order ngikoze.
I told God I need money because I already placed the order.
Kati mba ndyawo wabaawo ajja ne mugamba njagala sente.
As I was there, someone came and told him.
Nagamba weetaaga mmeka? Njagala emitwalo abiri.
He told me how much do you want?
Nagamba nzirina ky'essaawa 3 mba nzaagala.
He told me I have, but by tomorrow, by 9, I want that money. I took that faith and told him, bring, I will give you tomorrow. I started praying and I told the Lord that by tomorrow night, after praying, I gained my energy. There's a pastor told us, let's be like children. When he's given a cheat, when he comes and gives the father, him doesn't care. He's waiting for the money to go back at school. So, even me, when I put everything in God, amen. That day I did not work. In the evening, someone called me. That there is someone who wants to work upon me. His medicine gains back is a bit fat now. I told her I may not manage. She told me, I beg you, I trusted in you. I told her it's okay. 1 minute passed and then she told me, don't request for money. Then I said, I'm going to work. And now she told me, that's how I'm feeling. Amen. God can speak in different ways. It was quite hard, but I said it's okay. At 9 we went. I worked. I had to work twice. When I finished, she told me how much she would give me. I told her this one told me, give me anything. She told me, give me your number. By the time she sent it, it was 100,000. As we were coming back, she told me, how much were you giving? I told her 100,000. She told me if she gives you in the morning, I will become jealous. I told her maybe she gave me 50 Tuteeke each. I went there in the morning. After working, she asked for my number. I said for Airtel. I read it. She pressed I prayed the Lord. I want the money. For sure I had the money pocket. Minus putting in the capital. Not even putting in the transport. But I placed on my knowledge. Amen. God paid for me. Whenever I trust God, you can pay for the way. And then you can also wonder. Many times we focus on things. And then something that belongs to you bypasses. Because you trust in something. But put everything to God. You move like this child who is just. You find how are you heading right now. It tells you that just me. It's taken to someone. For height is not responsibility. The
there's someone who is responsible.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
Awamu kitwetaagisa okubeera ng'abaana abato.
So we need to be like children.
Bwe n'obikwasa Katonda okweralikirira n'okuteeka eri
You
ebbali.
put everything to God and put away your worries.
Tugenda kusomako mu Yobu 2.
We are going to read in Job 2.
Natandikira ku lw'omukaaga.
Job 2:6.
Mukama n'agamba Sitaani nti, laba, ndowooza sitole ya Yobu tugimanyi.
I know you know the story of Job.
Mukama n'agamba